Hey everyone, Nat here. And from all the people here at Divi, we want to wish you a happy October. With the start of this new festive season, we have a few updates we've been working on for you guys. So follow me, and I'll show you all that we have to offer for you this Croptober. So if y'all want to meet me back on the homepage to Generate, we can get right into this overview. As I mentioned earlier, we're shipping out some exciting new updates this season. You completely optimize the color customization options to allow you and your brand to have a more seamless look between your menus and promotional content. Let's get straight into this example. So for my company, let's call it Natural Cannabis. Most of our promotional content, ads, and menus, we use Divi Blue. I really like that color, but it's a new season and I kind of want to mix it up. I want to go for a bit more of a darker green. So I have both the blue menu and I have a darker green menu. For this example, we're using this dark green menu, and I'll be showing you guys in Canvas how to basically edit and tweak and change things about the colors to make them match better. But first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually head over to playlists. All right, now that we're here in playlists, let's make a playlist so we can actually put our menu and promotional content into it. So I'll go right over here to create playlist, create new playlist. Head it as a default. We'll call this Croptober. Go ahead and save that. All right, now that that's all loaded, we can go right over here. We can add content to this playlist. Like I said, I used to use this blue one, and now I really want to use this kind of a little bit more dark forest green color. So I can just go right over here and insert, add this, give it a second to load. And now we have that placed into our playlist. If you have not seen my previous video on the playlist calendar and library tools, I'd advise to watch that. But basically, what you need to know for this video is the zones. This menu right here is going to be, right now is in zone 1, which is in the furthest back. Think of it kind of as like layering on a pizza. The menu is going to be in the furthest back, and this little green space right here that our graphic designer has kind of left open for us is where we're going to put our promotional content. And that's going to fit right into zone 3. So yeah, let's head right over to templates and we can actually start editing. Perfect. Now that we're here at templates, we can select the one we want and get straight into editing it. Please feel free to reach out if you or your team don't have access to editing these awesome templates. Please reach out and one of our team members would be happy to assist you. So for this example, Croptober, I really want to use this one. I like this one. It just stands out to me. So you can click on it. It'll pull you into Canva. Canva is one of the best beginner-friendly graphic design tools out on the market. All the customization will be done in Canva and then brought back over to Generate, where we can schedule it and put it on our calendar, put it in our playlist, and get everything all set up. Now that we're here, we can go click select use template and it'll pull us straight into Canva. Now that we're here, this is where the magic actually happens. Let's head right over here to this top left area. You see my arrow, we'll go to position. I'll try to go as slow as I can. Click on position, and then it should pull you into either layering or arrangements. You want to be in layering. And right here, let me move my head over here. There we go. You can see all the layers that make up this image, this ad. Pretty much everything you can, as you can see, I'm clicking on it and you can see the little box highlighting it. So yeah, this is basically where we can go and customize everything that we need to get customized. So if you wanted to change some of the text, if you wanted to remove any logos, if you wanted to change any of the prices, any of the percentages, what deals are for what, all of it's done straight through here. You can just click on it and then boom, right here, you can just type, change whatever you need to change. For this example, we're not really doing any of that. All I want to do is change the color. So I'll head right down here to background color, and right up here in this right hand corner, that's where the color options are going to be at. So I want to change this background color to more of a foresty green. I have the exact color that I want. And I really advise that if you want your content to look seamless and very intentional, to use the exact color number that is going to be on both of them. I want it to be matching perfectly. So I'll go right here. You can type in the exact number, shade or color that you want. Here at Divi, we have a certain number of colors that we use. So I kind of know exactly what I'm going for. So as I said earlier, you have complete creative control over the colors you use, fonts, really anything like that. One thing we would suggest is try to have the colors match similarly to the background. This just kind of makes it easier and more seamless looking. It appears as if like the sections aren't actually separated. It enhances the readability for the customer who often needs to navigate the menu quickly. I have the exact color that I need for my background. Let me move my head right back over here again. Click right over here. I have the color that I need. I have the exact color number, which I would highly suggest doing. So mine is 2A876A. Perfect. And I want to change the blue in a few of these right over here too. So I want to change this blue background over here to maybe a bit more of a greenish look. So I have a different green that I want to use. I want to use 1A5442, a bit darker of a green. Ooh, I kind of like that, the way that fades. I think that looks kind of nice. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it actually. I like that a lot. Head right back over here to position, and I'll do that same thing, same color for all of these right over here. I actually really like how that looks. Actually, what I'll do is I'll fade it with a different green. Let me find one more green. I'll use maybe a lighter green. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. And that is 1F8E07. Perfect. So yeah, if you guys are following along, I'm kind of just finding what I think looks nice, and I think that these colors are going to look very good. Boom, just like that. That was like 30 seconds, and we've changed all the colors in this. I'm natural cannabis, so I'm gonna remove this Divi logo. Perfect. Now that we're done, just the way we're gonna download this is just go up to share, download, and then just press download. Once this is done, you guys can be right back in Generate, and we'll get this finished up and scheduled. Cool. So now that we're back where we left off in Generate, just one last step, we'll head over to playlists, and we'll head right down to the Croptober playlist that we made earlier. Now this is done, we can head right over to Zone 3. Once you search through your browser, you should find the ad saved to somewhere in your downloads or desktop. Drag and drop this in here, press finish, and then we'll click right here, insert. Now that both of those templates and assets are in our playlist, we can head right over to calendar, and we can see how it's gonna look on our TVs. All right, awesome. So now that we're done and finished scheduled up, we can head over to the calendar tool, which we're here right now. Go to this view section up here. Remember earlier how we made our Croptober playlist default? So it should be playing here at all times, and head right up to this button. Great, we're all finished up. Not only do you have an awesome new Croptober ad, but you can sleep sound knowing the colors are gonna match perfectly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Having better informed clients helps us to make a better and more improved product. If you and your team need any help with colors, templates, you name it, please reach out to us at support@dividigital.com. And I want to wish you guys all a happy holiday. And you know what I say, do it the Divi way. Have a good one, guys. Peace.